RoboLabs team welcomes you. Today we would like to introduce you our new product, RoboSpeedBox. This is an electric multifunctional convection oven with a touch control. What makes this oven special? RoboSpeedBox uses an injection system for heat supply of the product from above and below. This makes it extremely effective, allowing you to prepare popular dishes in minutes. Moreover, RoboSpeedBox is quite small and only needs quarter of a square meter of working space. At the same time, it consumes 3 kilowatts and operates using 220-volt outlets. Thus, this oven will be indispensable in fast casual cafes and pizzerias. Its effectiveness will be approved in this video. Now we are going to cook a defrosted Roman pizza. Its temperature in the center is now -5 degrees Celsius. We have selected the cooking mode at 250 degrees for 2 minutes and 50 seconds. The timer came to an end. An animation appeared and a sound beeped. The temperature inside the pizza is 70 degrees. The edges are over 90 degrees. The pizza is fully cooked. The crust is pleasantly crispy. The dish looks very appetizing. Now let's prepare frozen pizza with a temperature of -18 degrees. Let's cook it at 240 degrees for 3 minutes and 50 seconds. So, here's the cooked pizza. It looks great on the outside and the inside is also cooked. Crispy sides are also present. Thanks for watching. No need to dream about the future for your kitchens. The future is already here with RoboLabs.